Understanding the law is not optional for responsible citizenship. Every citizen lives under the protection of law. At the same time, every citizen is bound by it. Law influences daily life in ways many people do not realize. From traffic rules to property ownership, from online activity to workplace behavior, legal rules operate constantly in the background. Many people believe that law matters only inside courtrooms. That is a misconception. Law affects contracts, financial transactions, consumer rights, employment conditions, and even social media posts. Ignorance of law is not considered a valid excuse. If a person violates a rule claiming they did not know it, the law may still hold them accountable. This makes awareness extremely important. When citizens understand the law, they make informed decisions. They avoid unnecessary disputes. They protect themselves from fraud and exploitation. They know how to respond calmly during legal conflicts. Understanding the law also prevents emotional reactions. Instead of spreading misinformation, informed citizens rely on facts. Instead of fearing authority blindly, they understand legal limits and safeguards. Legal awareness strengthens democracy. Citizens who understand their rights can demand accountability. They can question actions respectfully and lawfully. They can participate more responsibly in civic life. An informed citizen knows when to speak and when to remain silent. They know when to seek legal advice. They understand that freedom comes with responsibility. Law is not meant to create fear. It exists to create fairness, balance, and social order. When citizens understand the law, trust in institutions increases. Conflicts reduce. Justice becomes more accessible. A legally aware society is a stable society. Strong citizens build a strong nation. Understanding the law is not about memorizing sections. It is about awareness, responsibility, and empowerment. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.